Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing a 4-foot fluorescent light fixture right up here, and shouldn't take long. It'll be a short one, but just going to let you. Okay, so here we have our standard 4-foot fluorescent light fixture. Now we're going to mount it up here on the ceiling with some basic screws, and like I said, it'll be short and sweet, hopefully. Just measure, make sure we're square on the walls. Now that it's mounted, the simplest part is done. Now we got to hook up the wires. If you're not familiar with wiring, your bare wire is your ground wire. There's usually a green lug or bare wire that you connect it to in the fixture. Your black wire is your hot one. That is where your power comes in. The white wire is your neutral. That is where the power returns back to the electrical grid. So, here we have our black and white wires, and there is where our ground is going to connect. Helps if I have the right size bit. Okay. Now, we're going to do a loop on our ground. You always want your wire to loop around your screws in a clockwise direction. The reason you run your wires in a clockwise direction is so that when you tighten your screw up, it doesn't spread the wire out and the wire comes out from underneath the screw. Our black wire and our black wire. We'll just connect these two together. We'll lead with the smaller wire into the wire nut. That way it'll tighten up a little better. And then we'll put that up in here. Same way with our white wire. Up there. We'll just lead with the white wire or with the smaller wire, and it'll tighten up better. We'll tighten that up. Put them wires up inside. Then we have our cover here. Oh, you can't see it. Our cover. That and there we go. Now it's a matter of putting our bulbs in and putting the cover over them. The bulbs that I have chose to use are LED bulbs for use with the ballast, so we'll be putting these in and seeing how everything works. Alright, and there you have it. We have light. The only thing we need to do now is put on the cover. Okay, here's the cover. It's just held on some screws on either end. I think I can do this without taking the light bulbs out. Let's see. I don't want to do it in the dark. I don't know. Probably not. And now it's time for the bezel. Okay, not bezel, light diffuser, shade, something. basically to cover up the lights so you don't see the bulbs. And there we have it. Quite simple. Well, it took about 20 minutes or so, roughly. Something you can do easily in your own home and improve the look, I think. So if you like this video, click the like button and the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Comments, questions below, and we'll see you next time.